Hi YouTube, I'm Great Guy back and today I will show you how to hack with Chin Engine with scan type exact value, and I will hacking Spin Tires and Mega Man 2. So let's go. So first what you need to do is just you just go to Cheat Engine, click that button and select Stopia.x. Then just small bigger that icon. Okay. Then just go to game as normal way. Start, I'm gonna choose Woodman for different. Okay. So here in the provision tutorial, we was finding that here's 28 lives. So yeah, with exact value, the name tells you exact value. So we're gonna type 28 and gonna search just for 28 values in whole memory. So if gonna cheat engine saw some 28, gonna put it here on that list, on that I don't know, window here, gonna put it, and we're gonna just changing that value and searching for exact value, and we're gonna just put here the value. So you probably understand what means that I will show you on Mega Man and I will show you on Spin Tires. So already from provision tutorial we know that 4 byte is the type of our lives because we already hacked. So just let's get started. 28 first scan. Okay, let's go to game. Okay, take me. Okay, okay. He because I was playing that game and I was making tutorials from that game. I know that that guy, that Netherpile, that animal, break you down, or you lose 4 lives if she attack you, or you just lose 4 lives. So yeah, we are searching for value 24. Now we need to search for value 24. But if you don't know, on some games you could not know how did you lose, or how what value was you was lost, or you don't know that you just select decreased value. That means that value have been lower than before, is lower than before. So yeah, so that's all. I know that there's 24, so I'm gonna just type in 24 and in exact value search that. So yeah, we have just one address, probably that's the right address. So yeah, just I'm gonna just put it to 28 and block it. Okay, let's look. Okay, that's the right address. So yeah, that's all. And it's one more thing I wanted to teach you. Like, you see that button, enable speed hack. Click on it and you will able to increase the game speed. So if I increase it to 20, you're gonna saw how game gonna be fast. Look, you see? And my mouse is some kind of weird. So let's just go play. You saw these animals are attacking me like crazy. Okay, good, done. So then that was so easy. So you know what speed hack is, just increase it or type here the value and just click apply. So that's so simple. So I'm gonna teach you on spin tires too. So okay, is something wrong? I just wait. Okay, I'm gonna just close the spin tires window and run it again. So yeah, we will need to wait small because it's loading. And I will put the link for Mega Man and for Spin Tires in description too, so you can easily install it. And probably you're gonna know how to install it. If not, tell me in a comment and I will get you some links. I don't know why it doesn't want to run. Let me just try to. Okay. Gonna use start, but probably that won't start that game, but as you see with exact value it's easier to find some game, I don't know, lives or coins or whatever is in the game. So it's just so easier because we have exact value in, and if we know what is the exact value, we just type in exact value, and as well that gonna probably work, and it's gonna more time sometimes don't work with the decreased and increased value if you're using that easy method, but for me it almost always works. So yeah, probably. Oh, here is Pintars app. I don't know guys, but I hope you enjoyed in this video. Just if something you don't understand, just ask me in comment and I will sure answer you the comments. So in the next tutorial I will show you how to install Adobe Photoshop for free, totally free, and the verification key gonna be in download folder or whatever you say to that directory or whatever. And I hope you enjoyed this video, so see you later guys.